guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can color correct your photos on CapCut Browser. Again, select Magic Tools, scroll down until you find the AI color correction. You can drag and drop file here or try the following images first. I'm just going to drop this file here. I'm just going to wait for it to generate. There are around 4 levels of color correction, as you can see here. I think it just adds not a lot of color on this one because it's already pretty good. It just made the sky a little bit darker, as you can see here. Also the sun part, you can even try level 4. This is level 1. This is level 2, 3, 4. There's not much of a difference. Here, maybe if I chose the one, like the example that they have, you can see it a little bit more. Okay, which one's a good example of like a landscape? Okay, so that one you can see better like the difference because it's like darker and like it has more colors on this one and it's a little bit brighter. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.